Hey divas, we want to make a simple rosette headband but with a unique accessory on it, and it's going to be pearl. Trust me, you've never seen anything like this. It's simple but very unique. So you're going to use this headband on your turban, okay? So see you in class and make sure you practice and send in your work. Hi guys, so welcome to another tutorial. So today we want to make a simple headband. So we're going to wrap our headband and we are going to use this to print it. Let's print a little. Okay, take our fabric. So I'm going to do this for the whole show. Okay, so we want to make this. We want to make this, and the measurement we need is 5.5 by 31. Okay, so we are going to take our needle. Okay, we are going to gather it. Okay. Okay. So we are going to pick this. Okay, so you can see the difference at the center. Okay, so we are going to take this. And see, so this part is closed up like this. You understand? So you're going to come to the other side and do the same thing. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take our copper wire. Okay, and then we are going to create something like this, right? Something like this. See my hand. So you can do any shape you desire. Okay, so and this is this is 6 inches. Okay, this is 6 inches. So I'm going to be using 6 inches, right? 6. So the first thing you need to do is to take this like this and fold it. Fold the beginning like this, then fold it again. You need to fold it 2 times, okay? Then you're going to take the other hand, and you're going to start inserting your page. So I'm going to insert it to this piece and show us. Come to the end of this. So what you need to do is you need to bend it. Okay, and bend it again. You need to bend it twice. So you can see, bend it twice. So this is it, it's straight. So you can use it to form any shape you want. Okay. Can form any shape you want. Okay, so we have need two of this. Okay, you can see. So just create it like this, and that's it. So we're going to set this aside, all right? We are going to take this. So you're going to take this and find a way you want to place it. Place it like this, and place the second one like this. All right. So just place it basically like this. Yeah, we take this, use it to embellish. Okay, and then this is what we are trying to achieve. Okay, so I'm going to tack it, pin it and tack it, and this is it. So you are going to take your pin it down. Okay, you take the other parts, pin it down. Okay, so you can see. Okay, okay, so this is it. You're going to take this. Okay, take this. You're going to use it to cover this part. Cover this part. You're going to take your glue. See, to cover this part. Come to the other side. We're going to take this. Okay, and put your glue. Okay, so we're going to put one here. So take the other one. And then this is it. So I hope you find this really helpful. All right. So it's going to be like this, and this is the end of our. So I'm going to take my needle and thread, going to tack it, then show us what it looks like. All right. So see you in the next one.